Baby got bronze, my new favorite stick bronzer. I love quick, I love simple, I'm a minimalist, I'm a no makeup girl, but I'm also a professional makeup artist, so I like something I can just throw in my kit, because a lot of times what happens is lights can wash people out. And so I want to make sure that they have the color that they need. I use bronzer on everybody, men, women, everybody. So I always go up into the hairline. That's the secret with bronzer, because you're mimicking the sun, okay? So as we get older and we're not going here bronzing and contouring, we're going up here because we're raising our cheekbones. That's right, ladies. Okay. And it is very popular to do that little sun-kissed on the nose. Gorgeous.